Bone update. All right, I got Bitcoin on the screen because this has everything to do with everything. Okay, we're watching two levels on Bitcoin here. All right, these two levels I have marked. It got rejected at that 43.4, roughly. All right, it wicked up there and came back down. All right, it has to hold 41.8. All right, 41.8 needs to hold. That's the area we need to hold. If it does not hold it, it's doing a big ABC correction here. Okay, if it bounces from here and breaks through that 43.5, called 43.5. Okay, if it breaks through there, then this is going higher. All right, so that's the two areas you need to keep an eye on with Bitcoin. 41.8 has to hold, and that 43.5 needs to break for it to go higher. Keep an eye on those levels because if Bitcoin comes down here and falls down here and does an ABC, all right, and pulls this market down, the ABC actually measured out. Let me see here. Give you an exact price where it would more than likely come to. All right, down on top of there, down around 38.6, something like that. It would retest this area right down here in this yellow line. So needs to break above there. Okay, we had this breakout of resistance, and we've had a retest here. Okay, this thing broke up, came back, and is retesting now. And hopefully we get that bounce up out of here, then a retest, and then keep going. So that's what we want to see out of Bitcoin. If not, it's going to be doing an ABC, and it's going to drag everything down. Okay, now if we go over and take a look at Bone. Alright, let me see here. Which chart do I want? This one. Alright, this Bone has done kind of a similar thing. Alright, this is on a 12-hour chart. It had to break out here. Kind of a similar type pattern. It broke up to here, came back, retested this area. Now is it going to break above that 80 cents? And keep going here, okay? Then retest 80 and then the 82 area that we always talk about, okay? So we want to keep an eye on this with Bone here. It needs to hold this, what is that, roughly 75 cents, all right? You don't want to see it lose 75. I truly believe it's going to hold it, okay? I believe that's a wave 1 and 2. I think it's going to hold on here for the most part because we have this daily RSI right down at the bottom. Okay, it's at a 1 and a 7, just about ready to turn up. Okay, we have our 12-hour just turning up. It's bullish, 35 and the 28. You got the 8-hour. The 8-hour has flipped actually bearish here, 41 and 43. That thing can flip right back over very easily. Okay, it's right in that zone of in between here, and you got your 4-hour. Bearish at a 48 and a 59. But you can see on the regular RSI on both of these, the 4 and the 8 are both trying to curve back up here. You got your 12-hour. All right, the 12-hour is curving down here, and you got your daily. That daily should actually be pushing up here. The daily's reset, so looking for a bounce out of Bone, especially out of the breakout of this wedge. All right. Kind of got a fake out here, and then it came back in, ended up bouncing down here at 72, and now it's broke back out of that area again. All right, so now we're looking for the bounce on this thing. Okay, so keep an eye on them levels. All right, for any rally up, we need to break the 80 cents, and we need to hold the roughly 75-cent area. Okay, need that to hold. If that doesn't hold, okay, then I'd be looking at this lower, down around 72, but I'm expecting this to hold. So that's the two areas you got to watch for here with price. Okay, I'm going to brighten them up a little bit so you can write them down or keep them in your head. That's the two areas. Okay, if we lose that, it's coming down a little bit more. If we break this, it's heading up. Okay, and it all depends on Bitcoin, all right, with it kind of playing around the way it is. The Dow Jones is up another couple hundred points today, so I'm expecting Bitcoin to break up, all right? All right, guys, thank you so much. None of this is financial advice, obviously. Do your own research, and I will talk to you very, very soon. Hopefully the next time we talk, we're above this 80 cents and talking about higher targets, all right? Have a great day, everybody.